This tip is for kids with highly sensitive feet. This is one video in a video playlist. So take a look at the strategies for sensitive feet and see which one suits your child. Now, this strategy is what I call the very first in the line of trying to help kids. It's trying to go from a typical sock to a completely seamless sock. So there are many companies that put out seamless sock brands. I'm going to post my favorite on otkidsmass.com so you can take a peek at it. So try a seamless sock, see if it makes a difference. If not, there are lots of other options here on the playlist that you can check out. But if your child can do a seamless sock, this is a good intervention to help kids with those really sensitive feet.
Put them back up on the shelf. Just my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out